Hello friends, today we are going to see the basics, which we are starting from the dot. Look at this. Main important point about dots is they should be properly circle and they should cover neatly in the circular way. So see how I'm drawing them. You can practice like this. Now we are drawing lines and they should be draped. They should not touch the surface area so that they are coming nicely. You can see here how I'm drawing it. This is the sleeping line we call. Then the standing line like this. All the lines should be draped without touching to the surface. Now we are going to draw the slanting lines from right to left, again from left to right. Using this all four types of lines, we properly make the checks. These lines help us to draw checks more proper. Line draping is more important. You can see here. Now the part for curved lines. You can see how I'm drawing them. They should have same distance in between all. Even all the types of lines when we draw in a checks or simple lines for the border or belts, they should come same. Now here see, this is the wave line we call. The curve line we call. It should be the same in the way and the wave should be same at the each turn. Now I am drawing zigzag line, same like the wave line. Its all turn should come same in size also and in length also. You might draw it in a simple way like a straight or the down. Look at this, which is the right and wrong. You might feel this boring, but it's most important. You will see it later. So I want you all to practice this as much as you can, and in the next coming we will be going to see the basic fill-ups like the humps, big humps, long humps, spiral, which are in the. If still you have not subscribed, do it now only and share with the peoples. And thank you for the watching.